Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to program your Nespresso Inissia made by Krups. And by programming I mean how the filling sizes of those lungo and espresso buttons should be. Now standard, they are programmed to give you the most optimal experiences with the lungo and the espresso capsules. But you can even choose your own programming on how much water should there go through with the espresso and lungo button. So when you desire even longer lungo than the standard programming, you can do that. The first thing you do is you plug it in, make sure there's water in the tank, and let it warm up until these two lights doesn't blink, so they don't blink anymore here. And now we come to the programming part. It's very easy. You set the cup down there, and now we're just going to look how full a normal sized espresso would be. So let's do that real quick with just water. So we see the cup is full around, normal espresso cup. That's how much water is going through when you press the espresso button. So let's put this away and look and set, well, we want a little longer espresso. So let's do that. By programming, you can just press this button here and keep pressing it as long as you want, and when you think that it is enough, you can let go of the button and it will program itself. Let's see, we want a little bit more. Right here, we put a finger off it and it blinks 3 times. This 3 times mean that it has programmed itself every time you make a coffee with the espresso button, that the filling size of the cup will be this much, or how much you have programmed it. The same thing goes with the lungo button. You can just hold it and hold it as long as you desire, and you see how much water is going through there, and then you stop pressing it. It will blink 3 times, and that's how you have programmed your Nespresso Inissia. Very easy to do. So thanks for watching.